What if I told you a single Telegram signal helped me make 24.38% profit on a USDC arbitrage trade in under 6 minutes? No complicated charts, no guessing, just spotting the opportunity and executing it before it disappeared. In this video, I'll show you the exact arbitrage signal, how I verified it, the steps I followed inside Trust Wallet using a DeFi platform, and the final profit calculation. You would see the entire process from start to finish, nothing escaped. Whether you're new to crypto or you've been trading for years, you will learn how arbitrage opportunities work and why they can exist for a short time and what to look for before making a trade. More importantly, you will see the execution in real time so you understand the complete workflow. Keep in mind that arbitrage opportunities are time sensitive and market conditions can change quickly. This video is for educational purposes, showing one real example of how a trade was identified and executed. It isn't a guarantee that the same opportunity will be available again. Let's jump into the Telegram signal, see why this opportunity stood out, and walk through every step of the trade to see exactly how the result was achieved. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you'll be informed. Now, to do this, the first thing we do is exit out of our Trust Wallet and then go to a Telegram application. Now, once you're here, make sure that you've already followed the steps of setting up your Alpha Pulse bot. There's a video that I did earlier that shows you the entire step on how to do this. A link will be provided at the top of this video that leads you to that video. It shows you how you can start using the bot and then subscribe. Now, once all of this is done, the next thing to do is to come here and select the market that you want to get signals on, and make sure that this is a market that you've probably subscribed for. So for these, I've only subscribed for my crypto, so I would go to the crypto and select crypto, and then it's going to show platforms. Now you select the platform that you used and that you subscribed for. I subscribed for all these Valeris Network, so you can click on it, Valeris Network, and then the next thing to do is ask you to select what network you want to get signals on. I have a few tokens on my Ethereum network, so I'm going to select Ethereum. So once you select Ethereum, next thing to do will be to select the service you want to use. Now on Valeris Network, there are multiple services that they offer. They offer farming liquidity, they offer option trade, margin trade, AI strategies, and then arbitrage bot. Now for this, I want to do the arbitrage bot, so I'll click on arbitrage bot. Give this a few seconds to search the market and then find something for us. Now, as you can see, we've gotten a signal on USDC on the Ethereum network. Now, it is telling us to buy USDC externally, and then sell it on Valeris network. So what we're going to do next now is exit out of Telegram and then go back to our Trust Wallet. Now, once you get back to Trust Wallet, all you just have to do is you can buy your USDC from any network. So I have a little bit of USDC here, but let's see how much it's suggesting that we do. It is saying we do about 7,200. So all I'm just going to do now is go back to my Trust Wallet and then buy more USDC so I can properly trade this. So all I just have to do here is click on the swap on my Trust Wallet, and then come here and remove the BNB and then search for USDC on Ethereum network, and then we select USDC. Once USDC is selected, what we're going to do now is buy some quantity of USDT. So I'm just going to do USDC. I'm going to use the entire USDC I have to buy this, or the entire USDT I have to buy this. So once you do that, you swipe and then execute the transaction. Give it a few seconds to process, and as you can see, we have successfully swapped our USDT to USDC. So click on done, exit out of this, and then once this is done, the next thing we want to do now is go to the discover on our Trust Wallet, and then on the search bar they just type in Valeris.network. Once you type in Valeris.network, hit enter, this would bring you to the Valeris platform. Now, once you're here, there are two things you need to make sure that you've done. The first is make sure that you've connected your wallet to the platform. Now, to do this is very easy. If you're not connected, you'll see a wallet icon if you're using your mobile device at the top here. Click on it and then follow the prompt. If you're on a desktop or on a laptop, you will see it clearly written connect wallet. Now, click on it and then follow the prompt to connect your wallet. If you have any confusion, a video link will be provided at the top of this video that leads you to a video that shows you how you can properly sync your wallet to Valeris Network. Now, once that's out of the way, the next thing to do is to make sure that you are on Ethereum network, because the signal we got is for the Ethereum network. Once that is out of the way, the next thing you want to do now is click on the menu and then go to swap. Click on swap. Now, once you click on swap, the next thing you want to do now is change the base asset at the top here. Change the Shiba to USDC. So we're going to search for USDC. USDC. And once you see it, select it. Once you select USDC, now click on max USDC. Now I want you to just pay attention to the quantity we are getting here. Now once you do that, just click on swap and then click on confirm. Give us a few seconds to process. Give it a few seconds to process, and voila, as you can see, we have successfully swapped these 7,935 USDC to 9,878 USDC. This is close to $2,000 profits on this transaction. So all you just have to do here is click close, exit out of this platform. Now, once we exit out of the platform, we'll come back to our wallet and then give it a few seconds. Just watch this. We swapped the entire USDC we had, and this is the quantity we had. Just give it a few seconds so that the wallet is going to consolidate with the transaction that we've just taken, so that our USDT will reflect, and then we can see the profit we made in this transaction. Just give it a few seconds. Usually this takes a little time, but not too long anyways, so just give it a little time, so we'll see this happen live and our USDT update here with our profit also showing. I don't want to pause this video, so let's just allow this happen live. I don't know why it's taking this long. It shouldn't. Well, let's be a little bit patient. I'm gonna refresh a bit and see if maybe that can help. Obviously it's not helping, and as you can see, our wallet has successfully updated. You can see that we invested. We can click on the trust, click on the activities, so we'll see what really transpired here. So as you can see here, you can see the transaction, how the whole thing happened. So we swapped 7,935 USDC, and then we got 9,878 USDT. Now guys, this is amazing. This is a beautiful way to use those bots, and we have used a Telegram bot to make close to $2,000 or 2,000 USDT in arbitrage transactions. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. Also like the video, as this will help our YouTube algorithm. Until next time, please do well to stay safe.